Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add strike through in Keynote. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Keynote software. Now you can see here many slides. You want to add the strike through. Now I am select the text. Then select text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the text menu and click this more option. Then we can see here the strike through option. Now I am enable this, and we can see we added the strike through to this text easily. You can add another text or only some word. Now click this drop down menu and choose this strike through option. Now you can see we add the strike through to text very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.